creating pretty and natural eyes with this 2 eyeshadow application. Simple and easy. You need a fluffy blending brush and a precision detail brush and a duo eyeshadow. I chose the Baked Mineral Duos for this video because of its beneficial ingredients, the super antioxidant blend, and its natural SPF. And it also has this wonderful, smooth, long-lasting formula and an amazing technology that creates a natural glow to the skin. All right, now let's get to it. I'm going to show you how to apply to accentuate your eyes using this 2-tone eyeshadow. Step 1, use your blending brush and apply the darker shade to the crease and outer corner and just blend that on in. Get your crease and go up and around using the windshield wiper motion. Up, back, and forth, up, back, and forth. And there you have it. Be sure to just blend, blend, blend. That's the key to beautiful, flawless makeup application. Step 2, we're going to apply the lightest shade to the lid. And again, we're just going to blend that right in up to that little darker shade that you applied. Be sure to get the entire lid from corner to corner up to the top. Step 3, apply the lightest below the brow bone and also blend that right into the darker shade again. Finish blending that out, and then you're going to move on to the bottom lash line. You're going to take the darkest shade and you're going to apply that from corner to corner. Blend on out and look at the difference between those eyes. Look at that. The one is nice and framed. So we're going to blend that out on the other side as well. Just keep blending. The darker that you like it, just apply another layer if you'd like to go a little darker. I'm just showing you a really simple, pretty, natural, everyday eyeshadow application with these 2 shades. And there you go. Now what I'm going to do next is, by using the precision detail brush, I'm going to frame the eyes on the top. Applying the darkest shade on the top of the lash line, start with the middle and move on to the outer edge. And we're just going to blend, blend, blend. This is just going to frame the eyes a little bit more and give you a little more contour. And then if you do prefer to have a darker application than this, like our model, then you're just going to use a liner on the top and bottom lash line. Products that I use in this video are clean beauty brand, sh.cosmetics.com. They're vegan, cruelty-free with natural, beneficial ingredients. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope you like this video. Thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, bye.